Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create the circle, this circle and rectangular inside Adobe Premiere Pro. This tutorial is the simplest way to create. Uh, what you going to need is a rectangle and circle pictures with a transparent background. Okay. If you don't have this picture, I already link the download link down below inside the description, so you can download it anyway. So if you already download the file, go to the file section and drag it to the composition. After you drag it, you just let me show you. You just drag it right here, and simply get into the footage. If you want to resize it, click to the effect control. If you don't have the effect control, you can go to the window and go click this effect control, and it will show up. And go to the motion. If you want to resize it, you just simply click this, and the blue line will come out, and you can resize it simply just like this. If you want to move it, just move it like this. And if you want manually adjust the size, you can adjust it right here, the scale and the position. Okay, that's all from me for today. Thank you for viewing my videos. Please comment down below if you have any inquiries that maybe I can help you. So please subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you.